Watch AI create a student performance and dropout analysis. Dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Student records with performance metrics and dropout information. Let's create it live. Starting from Brick's homepage, we'll import our student data file. The upload completes instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Brick's AI is analyzing our student data set, identifying key patterns in dropout rates, GPA distributions, and attendance metrics. It's automatically generating 5 interactive charts showing dropout reasons, grade level breakdowns by gender, GPA analysis by socioeconomic status, attendance rates by age, and student counts across different demographics. Plus 2 detailed tables for comprehensive data exploration. Our student performance and dropout analysis. Dashboard is complete with all visualizations perfectly organized. We can customize the theme instantly for better presentation. Now, entering presentation mode gives us a clean, distraction-free view perfect for stakeholder meetings. The full-screen layout highlights our key insights beautifully, making complex student data accessible and actionable for administrators and educators. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through all our interactive widgets seamlessly. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.